Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. We are here to talk about travel, all things Jamaica, all things touring, all things exploring the beautiful island. I am so happy and excited to share with you. We are going to Portland. We are going to talk about the beautiful beach, Frenchman's Cove. I hope you guessed it right? Yeah. So whenever people hear about Portland, they think Frenchman's Cove off the bat. I mean, there are other beaches like Sansan, there is Winifred Beach on the stretch. But today we are going to talk about Frenchman's Cove because it's the most popular in my opinion. So the first thing I want to say, right? The first thing is there's an entrance fee. I mean, they do have to upkeep the place and maintain it and make sure it's beautiful and little free, and you know, the beaches are still blue and beautiful, and they are offering food to you. There's an entrance fee of what, $1,000 Jamaican, and that just ties into and accounts for all the stuff that they have to do to ensure that Frenchman's Cove remains the beautiful beach that you keep seeing in travel vlogs, that you keep seeing people review, and that you keep going to because it is just the staple of Portland, Jamaica. Second thing is that the place is well secured. That means that there is security on call, walking around the place, ensuring that everything is safe. You can park inside the property, or if there is no parking left inside the property, you can park on the outside along the wall. You can leave your stuff in there and you can park there knowing that you'll come back and see your car. You don't have anything to worry about because there are security guards, like I said, just patrolling the place, ensuring that everything is safe, so you can park without doubt and you can just enjoy the whole day without worrying about your car or your belongings. So yeah, there's that. Point is that they allow groups of 10 people. With the whole COVID thing, I thought that they limited it to 5 persons, but yeah, they allow groups of up to 10 in one space. So I would literally invite more persons knowing this now. So you have nothing to worry about when you're planning group trips. You can go there with groups of up to 10 persons at a time. Of course, you wanted to know whether or not you can bring food and drink in there, because you know, everywhere you go, they're trying to encourage you to buy food and drink, and when you look at the prices, you'd rather be dead and starving than pay an arm and a leg for a piece of chicken and some fries. So they allow you to bring food and drink. You have to pack it in your bag, however. You can't bring igloos just like other places, because you know, they offer food and drink options to locals and tourists. They have the same price for everybody, so you don't have to worry about tourist price as opposed to local price. Everything is quoted in Jamaican, so you have nothing to worry about when trying to convert the money or when trying to decide whether or not you should eat that burger. Yeah, so they encourage you to buy food and drink. It's a whole little station. Like, it could pass as a restaurant there, but yeah, that's on that. I want to tell you to walk with cash. They probably do not take card. I tried to give them my card, but they said, you know, they take cash. I guess because it is like a person that knew how to run a restaurant or knew how to run a little food joint and decided to say, yeah, let's do this. So they kind of take cash more than they take card. So I would advise you to walk with cash, because you still have to pay the entrance fee, and then you're going to buy a 1-2 beer and sit down on the beach and just hold a vibe. So walk with cash. Another thing that I wish I could tell you that wasn't a thing, but is a thing, it is quite a little walk down to the actual beach, because I don't know, it used to be a villa for the rich and richer, but now it is open to locals and tourists alike. But you have to kind of walk, and then walk down the corner, and then take another corner, and then you finally reach the beach. Yeah, that is kind of like if you can't walk, if you're in a wheelchair, or if you have back problems, you might want to get somebody to drop you down there and go park outside the cove. But yeah, it's a little walk. It's a lot of walk. From your car to the beach, it is a little walk. Like, get your cardio in. Yes. So you're able to rent chairs. You can rent chairs to lie on, or you can just spread out your towel and put it in the sand and just hold a vibe on that. But they encourage you to rent chairs. It is 300 Jamaican dollars to rent a chair, and you keep that for the day. So yeah, there's that. Just had to tell you. If you thought it was like expensive, it really isn't. It's affordable for the fact that, you know, you want to put your house and land and lay out on the beach without having the bumpiness in your back. So yeah, there's that. Chairs for rental, like the beach chairs for rental, they are affordable. Now, you're going into the water, right? There is a river which meets into the sea, and the sea is warmer than the river. The river is cold as anything. Like, I advise you to just swim in the sea and call it a day. You don't want to go sojourn into the river. I mean, it's beautiful, it is clear, it is just grand to swim in once you shock your body into the cold water. But I wouldn't advise it if you're not used to the cold. But if you go into the sea, do that with caution, because, friend, the current is strong. It is in a cove, so you know the water having to, you know, filter into the cove. The current is just like turn up, level up. And if you thought that you had 9 cat lives, you will leave Frenchman's Cove with probably 2, because current is strong. The riptide pulls you in, and then the waves just take you back to the shore. It's a crazy experience. I wouldn't advise you to go out without knowing how to swim or knowing how to take care of yourself when you're going out into the current. I mean, it's nice and fun and dandy when you're playing with your friends, but once you get into trouble, you get into trouble. There's a lifeguard on call who kind of like just hovers around the outside of the barrier. But yeah, I can tell you the current is strong, so proceed to swim with caution. Next point is that if you are the kind of person to just laze on the shore, then you can bring your own music. Seemingly, there has been many persons that bring their own sound systems. Sound systems, I mean your little Bluetooth speaker. Don't bring no big old sound system, go to the people in place, they will literally lock you out. Strange enough, you don't hear the other person's music interfering with yours. Like, I love that. You can bring your own music and not feel like you have to turn it down or turn it off, or have anybody come to you telling you to take out the music and put it in your bag. So yeah, my last point, and I'm sure you know this by now, is that they are really enforcing of the COVID protocols. So social distance is a thing. They keep track on how many persons they allow in, and if they reach capacity, best believe you cannot go into Frenchman's Cove, as well as you have to wear your mask using the bathroom. They do not allow you in the bathroom without being sanitized and temperature checked. Ensure that you wear your mask and just keep safe for your sake and mine. Just do it. It's not that hard, guys. So guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you could relate to some things. I hope you knew a lot of them, and you're just adding stuff to your list of things not to do when you go to Frenchman's Cove. And if you are new, hi. I hope you enjoyed the video, especially because I would like you to subscribe. Join the family. We love to see you. Our family is growing and glowing, and it just warms my heart. So guys, I am going to leave you on this beautiful day. I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, and great year. As long as it is great, because we are manifesting it, and What is that bird doing? Jesus. Sorry guys. So hope you have a great everything. I will see you in the next video. Bye.